In the next 3 minutes I will show you how to use the moving average to properly trade in a market. This strategy works on literally every single market and time frame. However, I would highly recommend to use it between 5 minutes and 1 hour time frame. Let's get into the strategy. First, we are going to look for a trending market. To do that more easily, we will add the EMA to our chart. Open indicators and search for EMA, click on it 3 times. Make one of the EMAs length 200 and a thick white line. Make the second one length 50 and a thick yellow line. The last EMA should be length 9 and can be a thin blue line. Now what we are looking for will be a market that keeps going up or keeps going down. The EMA 200 should almost never cross the EMA 50. Here we can see a market that is trending up. The EMA 50 is always above the 200. The EMA also shows you the strength of a trend. The bigger the distance between the EMA 200 and EMA 50, the stronger the trend. This is a strong trend. Let's see how to trade with our indicators now. Always make sure that the yellow line is above the white line. As soon as it crosses below the EMA 200, it means we are no longer in an uptrend and we don't want to take any trades like that. Next, we are looking for price to come back down to our yellow line, the EMA 50. Now there are 2 options. Either price crosses below the EMA 50, or price bounces off the EMA 50. Ideally, we want price to bounce off the EMA 50, as this is a good sign for price to go up, but even if it crosses the EMA 50, we can still easily trade this. First, let's look at the bounce. Here, price bounced and we enter a buy position. Why? Because the blue and yellow line are still above the white, indicating a strong uptrend. For the stop loss, we aim slightly below the EMA 200, which is the white line. Take profit should be between 1 to 1 and 3 to 1. This one ended in a win. Let's look at the example where price crosses below the EMA 50. In this case, we will then wait for price to hit the EMA 200. Here we have 2 options again. If it bounces, we can easily enter a buy position. If it breaks through, then we do nothing and simply need to wait for price to retest the EMA 200 later on. This is a bounce, but if you want, you can wait for more confluence, like a bullish candle. This is a very bullish candle. We enter our trade. This one was also a winner. Next, we are looking at a downtrending market. This market is clearly downtrending. The setup is the same, but in reverse. EMA 50 needs to be below the EMA 200 for this to work. Next, we wait for a pullback to the EMA 50 or the EMA 200 before we enter a trade. Here price pulled back all the way to the EMA 200 and we got a nice bounce and a very bearish candle. We can enter our trade here. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It helps my channel a lot. Let's see a couple more trades in action. And that's all for this video. Hope it helps. Subscribe for more and see you next time.